Guys, this is the Citroen GT. You're never gonna look at Citroen the same way again. This is a crazy, crazy supercar that was actually made for Gran Turismo back in 2008. Look at this elongated tail here. Have a look from the side. How freaking cool this looks. Look at this. And they did that on purpose, just so that you could scare the pants off your competitors in the game, right? And look from the back, it kind of looks like it's like swallowing a mini car. That is so cool. The exhaust pipes are here and one on this side as well. And look, plates. You know what that means? We're gonna drive this baby around Paris. It's actually got a V8 engine with about 550 horsepower, but in the game, it is an electric hypercar. Come with me. Guys, what stands out is the copper and also nickel. They use copper and nickel here on the wheel, as well as the leather. They're the three main materials. Heads-up display here. This steering wheel kind of looks like a PlayStation controller itself, right? Which is cool because this whole car was made to be played in a PlayStation game. So this is a manual car, and I'm like, where is the gear stick? There is no gear stick. This is how you shift it. Look at this button here. It's like a little PlayStation button. Shift down, shift up. This is how you start her up. So here's the start sequence. This is the ignition here. Okay. And this is like the safety switch. So you press this first, and then this button here to go in first. Ready?